Hello, it is Tuesday, October 24th. It's kind of actually almost the evening, late afternoon. Sam and I are about to go to the gym because this morning was a little crazy.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. So we weren't able to go to the gym this morning. Melissa came over with little Saskia and we worked on some stuff, and Sam had to go manage some things, and then I went off to work and taught piano, so it's just been busy. But we just booked flights to Boston, which is exciting. Sam has been to Boston but not really visited Boston.
I drove through one night on an epic road trip. Got lost in Boston Common for an hour or two. That was about it.
So I'm really excited to show around Boston because I go at least once a year. My sister's lived there for the last 10 years, I think.
You tell me.
More than 10 years, I guess, because she's turning 32, and so she moved out there when she was 18, so 14 years ish.
Math.
So we're gonna go for my sister's birthday next month, and so we booked our Airbnb and our flights, so that's exciting. Gonna go have some awesome food. I'll have to make a reservation for an awesome place.
No, we must do nothing awesome.
All the awesomeness.
No, we must sit in the room, stare at the wall.
But my sister's having a murder mystery party for her birthday. Sam's very excited to become the Fonz or something.
Hey.
So we'll see. And then Jeremy and Eric, our friends Jeremy and Erica, are going to come over tonight because they're in the middle of selling their house and they need a place to escape to. But we're going to have them play Don't Starve with us because I'm upset.
Are you sure?
Erica's going to play at least.
She said that for certain?
Well, Jeremy told her that if she didn't, I would cry and beat her up, so.
I mean, given those options, I'd probably play too.
Yeah. And then maybe we'll play board games, so it should be a nice evening. But right now, Sam said he's gonna go kick my butt.
We are gonna bust some ass at the gym. It's gonna hurt.
So I'll show you some of that.
think I've been yawning all day.
So we are
You're up,
playing
Sam.
Innis. Nobody is clearly winning.
It's hard to
Been
say.
a long, hard game. Jordan almost won.
I almost won. I had a win condition, but it was taken away.
But this art is really beautiful, if you can see it. These are my cards.
Yeah, this one that you can pick up.
Let's see what Jordan gave me. See, this artwork is really pretty, and I don't know who's gonna win. I'm the least likely to win right now. Jordan's in 5 places, so he's 1 away. Sam has a lot of guys on the board, but they're not chieftain over anybody. Jordan's also the closest to winning the sanctuary, because he has 4 sanctuaries. And I'm close to nothing. So I just wanted to close the vlog. I didn't record all of our workout because I'm really low on memory on this memory card, so I need to do some editing, which I'm doing now. And I'm also eating this like dessert oatmeal that I made. So Sam and I got back from our workout. Our friends came over and we played a bunch of Don't Starve and then ate dinner and stuff. So that's been the evening. So thanks for spending some of your day with me, and I will see you on tomorrow's vlog.